Yeah, it has just resumed now.
Yes.
But let me give you the version that I was given earlier on by our Chief of Defense Forces.
Yes, I can hear you.
I'm saying, yes, the shooting has just resumed, but I would like to give you the first version that was given to me by the Chief of Defense Forces.
Yes.
Is that around over 30 minutes ago, there was shooting at the residence of former spy chief, General Lul Ruai Koang, and it was involving our own security forces that had been deployed there to provide extra security. You know, there are two levels of security. There's the outer protection force, that a platoon that had been deployed around his residence to give extra protection, and there was the closer protection to him within his compound. So there was misunderstanding between the two forces. We do not know what had happened, and that misunderstanding degenerated in gunfire that you heard earlier on, and as a result, two servicemen were shot and wounded. In response, our Chief of Defense Forces, General Santino, then rushed to the scene. He was able to contain the situation by ordering them to cease further hostilities, and that investigation would be carried out tomorrow on exactly what had happened. Regarding the resumption just a few minutes ago, we also do not know, but I'm very sure it will be contained again.
And what is your advice to the public in terms of movement?
Well, let everyone remain at this or at our place. The situation is being contained. Let them remain indoors until further updates are given. But of course, it is clearly a limited shooting incident at the residence, and we strongly believe that it will not escalate, since the Chief of Defense Force went to the scene of fighting and instructed them to cease further hostilities.
So you say it will not escalate?